Guys, our today's natural remedy for making our hair thick and strong is ginger, aloe vera and coconut oil based gel. Actually, this is neither the hair pack nor the gel, but we can consider it into the gel category. For this remedy, we need only three ingredients, three things which can be easily available in our kitchen. That is ginger, aloe vera and coconut oil. So so guys, first we will see the benefits of all these three ingredients. So this is ginger. Ginger contains circulatory agents that stimulate the flow of blood on the scalp, increasing blood circulation, which triggers the hair follicles and encourage new growth. This way it strengthens the hairs from the root to the tip. Ginger has essential fatty acid which prevents your hair from thinning. Second is our aloe vera gel. It contains something called polyotic enzymes which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hairs all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduce dandruff and condition your hairs. Now our third ingredient is coconut oil. We all know the importance of coconut oil in our life. It is a natural way to help your hair grow longer, thicker and faster. The vitamins and the essential fatty acid naturally found in coconut oil nourish the scalp and help to remove sebum buildup from hair follicles. So now we will start making this gel. First we need to make juice of ginger. So we can grind it in the mixture with the little water so that it can be grind it properly and then filter it. See, I have already made here. We need at least 4 to 5 tables of juice. It depends on the length of your hairs. Second, if you have plant of aloe vera gel, so you can use that. But I am using Wow's aloe vera gel and I'm mixing it with Patanjali's aloe vera gel. It's really nice. It gives you the natural thickness. I will take 1 spoon of it. So this is the 1 spoon of it. Last ingredient is coconut oil. I am using Patanjali's coconut oil. I am using Patanjali's coconut oil here. And this is also very nice. Guys, one thing which I will suggest you to please try to use organic things so that it will help you to save your skin and hair. Now we will mix it properly. So just take 4 to 5, or you can take more number of spoon. It's depend on how thick and how long your hair is. Then you can mix all the aloe vera gel in that, and then 1 spoon is sufficient. 1 or 1.5 spoon is sufficient. Mix it properly at least for 1 minute. Show you how to apply this. Just split, take 1 cotton bowl and divide your hairs like this, and gently, easily apply on your hairs into your roots. So that it will easily go into the base of your scalp. Once you finish it, gently polish for at least 10 minutes. just apply it properly. Guys, as I told you, once you finish, massage it at least for 10 minutes. I have this massager. It's really nice and effective. Guys, if you really want to make your skin and hair beautiful, I would suggest to buy this massager. It is really effective. I will definitely make a special video for this massager. Okay, after massage, keep this at least for 2 to 3 hours and then with lukewarm water rinse your hairs. Not required to use any kind of shampoo or conditioner. It has everything. Guys, I will tell you, if you are using this remedy once in a week on your hairs consistently, at least for 3 months, you will find the drastic change in your hair quality. Okay then, guys, I will stop here. I wish a healthy life for all of you and your family. If you like this hair growth remedy, please like this video and subscribe our channel so that you will get the notification of our new videos. Thank you guys, and please take care. Thank you so much.